Hello, I'm glad you're here. In this video, we're going to determine which of the following is equivalent to x cubed minus 16x, or we could say x to the third power minus 16x. I'm actually going to do the ones that I think are not equivalent first, just because I want you to see the work of it. Each of these will require that we use distributive property. I'm going to start with D first. X to the second power times x will give you x to the third power. X to the second power times a negative 4. That's a positive times a negative. It's going to give you a negative 4x squared. That is not the answer we're looking for, so we can mark that out. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is going to give you a negative 4x. That is not what we're looking for, so we can mark that out. Okay? One thing I want to tell you about this is if you have everything positive within your problem, you're not going to be able to get this negative right here. But right here, you have a negative and a positive, and when you multiply those together, you do get a negative. But I'm going to go ahead and do the work for you. We're going to do this, which will get x squared, and then that, which will give us 4x. The inside, another 4x. And the last, which is going to give us a positive 16. When we add these together, we're going to have an 8x in the middle. So we're going to end up with something that looks like x squared plus 8x plus 16, which is not what we need. So we do know that B is our answer, but then I'm going to go ahead and prove it to you. I'm going to give you x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. The center is actually going to cancel out because a minus 4x plus 4x would be 0. But then I have to, in turn, multiply this x by what I have left. And I get x cubed minus 16x. So ultimately, our answer is B. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.